Hello everyone, today we are talking about Videoscribe. What is it and what is it used for? Now, Videoscribe is a software used for creating whiteboard style animation videos where images and text appear as if they are being hand drawn. It is widely used to create visually engaging videos without requiring advanced animation skills. What is it used for? Videoscribe is primarily used for educational videos, simplifying complex topics with engaging visuals, marketing and explainer videos like this one, presenting products, services, or concepts in a clear, attention grabbing way. You have storytelling, communicating ideas, concept, or messages effectively. And lastly, you have presentations, making information more engaging and memorable through dynamic visual. Now, how does Videoscribe work? Videoscribe works by allowing users to select or upload images, text, and music, then animating them automatically to appear as if they are being hand drawn or written in real time. You can choose or upload your own images from vast library, add text or music to match the tone of the message, set timing and sequences for the animation, and lastly, export the final video once complete. Now, one of the best features that I love about Videoscribe is its user-friendly interface. It is easy to use, no animation experience required. Large media library include a wide variety of pre-made images, icons, and music. You have the customizable animation, you can adjust timings, transitions, and effects for each element. Voiceover support. Sync your narration with the animation, and lastly, you have the multi-platform export. Export videos in different formats for social media, YouTube, or other platforms such as Instagram or Facebook. Its ease of use and flexibility make it an excellent tool for anyone looking to create high-quality animated videos. Now before we proceed, you want to head over to the link on the description box below and it will redirect you to the official website of videoscribe.co. Now once inside Videoscribe, make sure to register in order to get the free trial right here. Once done, you will now be taken to the editor page where you can now go ahead and start editing your video. But before that, you can then go ahead and select between a desktop version of Videoscribe or the web version. I already have installed the software version of Videoscribe, and if you want a full tutorial on this one, you can just go ahead and check my other video on that. First things first, we then have our templates if you want to create with a template, but if you want to start with a new project, you can just go ahead and click on create new project. In our case, let's go ahead and click on the template right here. Click on use, and now it will go ahead and take us into our canvas. Once inside, we then have this pre-made assets right here. And just to make everything simple, if we go ahead and click on the play button, you can then go ahead and see that this whole template animates itself. Let's wait for the loading to finish. And as you can go ahead and see, with a simple template, it has made us this really amazing animation right here. Now going back to the main tutorial, this is our new project. If we then go ahead and click on something like shapes, let's go ahead and add this one. It's as simple as adding the animation entrance. Let's go ahead and click on hand. And from here, you can then go ahead and choose your marker. From here, you then have the hand-drawn animation, pen draw, fade in, move in, and many more. In our case, let's go ahead and put the hand draw animation. You have the duration of the animation. Let's set it to 5 seconds. And lastly, you have the emphasis animation. Let's go ahead and click on shake. From there, we then have the exit animation. Let's go ahead and click on slingshot. And from there, let's now go ahead and click on the play button. And so, with a simple square on our canvas, we have managed to transform that into this amazing animation right here. And so guys, you can just go ahead and customize this the way you want to. There are tools like scene, audio, text, images, shapes, and camera. And so right after editing your video, the only thing that you need to do is to go ahead and hit on the download button. Once again, go ahead and make sure to check the link on the description box below to go ahead and get the best prices for Videoscribe.co. If this video has been helpful for you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.